guys, welcome back. So you might see me in a couple of videos with this same makeup look, same hairstyle, same shirt, my little lifeguard shirt on, because I'm filming a couple of videos today, okay? And I'm not changing my clothes, my makeup, or my hairstyle today. So if you guys see me and you be like, wait a minute, didn't I watch this video? No, don't click out. You didn't watch this video. This is a different video, okay? So anywho, enough of the shenanigans. In this video, I just wanted to show you guys what I actually purchased at Beautycon. I know when Bridget and I did our live, we went through and we showed everything in our big hauler bag that you get with the hauler ticket, but we didn't actually show you guys what we purchased, which I didn't go crazy, okay? I didn't buy a whole lot of stuff at Beautycon. I didn't think it was necessary, because I know I was getting a big bag of stuff. So I didn't buy a whole lot, but I did stop by a few booths and pick up a few items. So I just wanted to share those with you guys because they are items that you can purchase yourself if you like from these brands' websites or in the stores and things like that. So I just wanted to share with you what I got. And I actually don't have everything that I purchased because I already started giving stuff away. I did give a few items to my daughter, a lot of items to my daughter, and I did send a few items to my sister-in-law Rita. So this is not even everything that I bought now that I think about it. It's just some of the stuff that I bought. So anywho, let's just go ahead and start with J.Cat. J.Cat had a nice little setup out there, okay? Way more J.Cat Cosmetics products than I've ever seen in my life. I usually find J.Cat in the beauty supply stores, you know, when you're going looking for hair products and stuff like that. And I've seen them like in a couple of those little makeup booths at the mall, but that's pretty much the only place that I see them. They might be at like different places like Walmart and stuff, but I don't know because I really don't go to Walmart. I typically go to Target now. So anywho, we stopped at the J.Cat booth and they had like a lot of 3 for $15 deals and stuff like that. So out of the items that I still have that I purchased, I think I have about 3 items. One of them is this matte makeup setting spray. I've never tried a setting spray from J.Cat, so I decided I wanted to go ahead and pick up one of their setting sprays. So this is the matte one and it's supposed to be infused with wildflowers, so hopefully it smells really nice. Also, I've seen these gorgeous highlighters like in a few places. It says here, You Glow Girl baked highlighter, and they are just gorgeous to me. So I said, you know what, I want to go ahead and pick one of these up. Let me see if I can open this right quick to swatch it for you guys. There's of course a nice plastic seal on here. Let's see how quickly I can open this up so I don't have to edit it out of my video. That was pretty quick, huh? Anywho, this is what it looks like. I don't know if you can see that. So very pretty. And let me just go ahead and do a nice little swatch for you guys. Oh, that's gorgeous. That is gorgeous. Okay, so that's the highlighter. And I also picked up this Precision Micro Slim Brow Pencil. I actually really like eyebrow pencils, and this one is in the color Espresso. So I'm really hoping that this will be a nice slim eyebrow pencil that I can use. Let me see if this one is in plastic wrap. No, it's not, because it's in a nice box. So let me go ahead and just see if I can swatch this. Okay, so it's a nice dark color. Okay, so it is a nice warm deep brown. I don't know if it's as dark as I'd like for it to be, but it looks like it is going to take a little bit of building up, but I don't know, we'll see. So anywho, that is the eyebrow pencil. I do really like how skinny it is though. I like the really thin ones because they're easier for me to control. Okay, moving right along, let's go ahead and talk about, I think I want to talk about some of these Pür items that I got. Okay, so while my girl Bridget was chilling listening to the people on the panel, I I was roaming around just kind of seeing what was popping, and so I stopped over at the Pür booth, and they had slashed prices. They were slashing prices left and right. So I was like, ew, okay, let's go ahead and see what they got. So first item I got is this Pür Miracle Mist, and so this is a hydrating spray. And one of the things that really sold me on this spray, aside from how it looked and smelled, was the packaging. Look at this bottle, you guys. Isn't this gorgeous? It's very, very pretty. Very, very pretty. And so it says over here, Pür Miracle Mist Hydrating Spray. So if you can see that, that's like 95% of why I purchased this because it's so pretty. I'm a sucker for packaging, okay? My bad. But anyway, I did pick this up, and I don't remember. I'm thinking I might have paid like $10 for this or less. I know I'm thinking 10 because it was like slashed. They were slashing prices. So anyway, I also picked up this Pür 4-in-1 blush book. So this is what packaging looks like. Very pretty, and it's not new. So you guys have probably seen it before, but when I saw it, I was like, I gotta have it. So it's the regular Pür palette, nice white palette, but this is what it looks like on the inside, you guys. Look at this, okay? Look at these blushes. And these two here, clearly, you know, are kind of like satin or shimmer type blushes, but oh my gosh, look at the color on there. And you guys know that I am just like a straight up blush fanatic, so you know, when I saw these, I was like, okay. So let me just get a few little swatches on here for you guys. Getting makeup everywhere. But these are some swatches from this palette. That peach and that pink. Gorgeous. Yes. So anywho, that is this palette, and those are blushes. I feel like these swatches are staining my arm. Okay. So next I got this Pür Creator palette. So this is what the box looks like for this palette. Very cute. And let's go ahead and open her up. And it says here that this palette is cruelty-free, paraben-free, gluten-free, talc-free, and it's vegan-friendly. So, you know, Pür is a really great company if you like those type of products to purchase from. Just FYI. But this is what the palette itself looks like. Isn't that pretty? Oh my gosh, that's silver. It's gorgeous. And I believe I paid like $15 for this palette. I think I paid $10 for the blush and $15 for this, because I'm telling you guys, they were slashing prices. Okay, and so this, I think this palette is supposed to do something fancy, but I don't, there we go. Okay, so yeah, this palette is like kind of fancy because it kind of opens up like a nice little stand here. So the mirror, as you can see, can stand up if you just place it somewhere and sit it down while you're doing your makeup. So that is actually really cool. But these are the shadows that are in this palette. So it's a very nice, gorgeous palette. When I saw these shades, I was like, oh my goodness, fell in love. And yeah, when she told me it was like 15 bucks, you know, I had to snag it. So it says up here, don't just dream it, create it. So that's pretty cool to have on the mirror there. They always have a little inspirational note on there. And let's see here, are these names? Yep, there are names on this little plastic sheet. Pretty cool, nice to have. They're super small, so I probably won't be able to read them, but there are names on here nonetheless. And I apologize, you guys, if I'm looking this way, it's because that's where my screen is, so it's like natural for me to do that just to make sure I'm not blurry. Okay, moving right along. We also stopped at Pop Beauty, and I think I picked up like 2 items from there, but one of them is missing. So I'm like, did I get jacked or did I give it away? And that was something I didn't want to give away to my daughter. I'm thinking I did. Oh my gosh. And you know what? I'm gonna have to look right quick. Oh well, yeah, I actually purchased one of those nice eye toppers from Pop Beauty, but I can't find it, and I think I sent it to my daughter or something, because I can't find it, and I'm so depressed right now, because it's one of those really pretty eye toppers like the Stila ones. But anyway, okay, so also from J.Cat, when I was looking through my stuff, I found this lip tonics. This is like a lip topper that I got from them, and let me just go ahead and swatch this for you guys so you can see what this looks like. So that's pretty. It's like a nice pinky shimmery lip topper, if you can see that. Very pretty. So that is another item that I actually got from J.Cat. So let's go ahead and just take a look at a couple of items that I got from Pop. Like I said, I got that eye topper, but it's missing in action. So Brianna, if you watch this video and you see the eye topper from Pop in your box, send it back to me. I know that's not gonna happen, but anywho, so the other item that I bought from Pop Beauty was this gorgeous eyeshadow palette, and so this is what that looks like. These are the actual shadows in this palette. Oh my gosh, they're so gorgeous. Do you guys see those glitters in there and those other shadows? They're so pretty. They kind of look matte to the naked eye, but in the camera some of them actually look like satin shades. So that is that. And then when I purchased those two items, one of which is missing, they did give me this buzzing beauty buffer. So I guess this is like, I don't know what this is. I need to give this away because I'm sure not going to use it. It says it creates an even seamless complexion with this revolutionary makeup blend and buffer. So it's some type of battery operated buffer, I guess, for your face to blend out your foundation or your makeup. I wonder if you can use it to cleanse as well. I don't know. This writing is very small and I'm not about to try and read it, but it's a buzzing beauty buffer that I actually got for free for buying two items. Now I also got some items from Ardell. I only bought mascara because you guys know I don't wear falsies unless I'm forced to. So I just picked out two different mascaras. This one is the Faux Mink multi-layering mascara. So this is what this box looks like. Very cute packaging, I must say, from Ardell. And I've never purchased any mascara from Ardell, so I'm anxious to see what it will do. And this is the Mega Volume Never Flat Mascara from Ardell. So I am excited to try out these new mascaras. I love trying out new mascaras because since I don't wear falsies, you know, I'm always trying to pump them up. Okay, so lastly, I purchased some items from Lime Crime while we were out there. I got in line to purchase some other items, and once I went and started looking and swatching, I changed my mind. So one of the items is this Highlight Blossoms palette, and this is a highlighter palette. It has a warm gold, a lavender, and a sunset shade in here. So this is what the packaging looks like from Lime Crime. And then let me go ahead and see if I can open this up. This is what the back looks like. It's actually quite pretty. And it says here, vegan and cruelty free. So this is what the highlighter palette looks like. Gorgeous. Very, very pretty. Let me go ahead and get some swatches for you guys. Ooh, this stuff feels like butter. So those are the three highlighter shades in here. If you can see that, I'll be getting my highlight on with this palette. Okay, and so lastly, I got these two Lime Crime palettes, and these are the new Plushies palettes. So this is what these two palettes look like. Very cute. Now this one here is the Sweet Blends palette. So this is the Sweet Blends palette. As you can see, mine's a little bit beat up, but it has a pink, a brown, kind of like a melon, and a blueberry shade. very pretty. Let me just go ahead and swatch these. They don't, oh, they feel very soft. Yes. And they do have a bit of kick up. So let me just swatch these right quick and show you the pigmentation. So that is what this palette looks like. Very cute, not anything super duper astronomical, but it is cute. And then this last palette I have here is the Fresh Squeezed palette, and this is what the Fresh Squeezed palette looks like. So there's like a yellow, a orange, a mango, and a dragon fruit, nice purple shade. So let me go ahead and swatch these. And these shadows are super duper powdery, you guys. I don't know if it's, you know, normal for Lime Crime, because I really don't have any Lime Crime. I only have like one Lime Crime palette to compare it to. So anywho, so these are all the shadows from these two palettes. Like I said, they are a bit dusty. Do I regret picking them up? Yeah, a little bit. I kind of do. Because they looked really cute and really pretty on display, but now that I have them home and I'm looking at these ashy, dusty swatches, yeah, I regret picking them up. They weren't worth what I paid for them. So yeah, these not too happy about. So anyways, that is everything that I actually purchased at Beautycon. Yeah, that's it. That's everything that I purchased at Beautycon. Guys, I didn't purchase that many items. That's all I picked up. So I just wanted to share those with you guys so you can take a look at some of the stuff they had on sale and see what I got. So thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Toodles!